Alright guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the General Electric or GE Personal Security Alarm Kit. I got this today at Walmart for 30 bucks. It's pretty cool. It comes with these 4 basic alarms. There's actually only 3 of the basic alarms. And then this deluxe one, it's actually what it's called. It has a keypad on it. So we're going to actually use a tripod for this video since, you know, doing it without a tripod kind of sucks. So we're going to put it on this tripod really quick and then I'll be right back. Alright, it is now time to open the Personal Security General Electric or GE Alarm Kit. So I got my scissors. Actually, these are my mom's kitchen scissors, but, you know. So I think all we'll need to do is cut off this side. Yeah, there we go. So now I can actually get all of this out. I don't like stuff that's packaged like this. There we go. There's everything. This one is on chime. Let's see if it works here. Let's match up an arrow. There we go. Oh wait. Yep, I knew it. There's something between the batteries here. Let's see if you can even see this. Here we go. There is something between the batteries. And speaking of batteries, my camera battery is about to die, so I'm going to test this real quick and then come back with a different battery. Yep, that works. It's really freaking loud. That's the chime feature. That's pretty cool. Anyway, here's this one. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Chime, alarm. Alright. Well, this doesn't have any batteries in it, so I'm gonna switch batteries in my camera and then come back. Alright, here's everything all laid out. This is what's going to be going on my door over there. So, it's a keypad activator. It's pretty cool. You can do home or away. It's pretty cool. And actually, these are not latching alarms. Actually, you know, it's probably going to be a good idea to put the thing there first. These aren't latching alarms. Once, here, let's just turn it on. Once I take it away and put it back, it shuts off. So I'm hoping, I'm also pretty sure that, wait. I'm also pretty sure that this one won't because there's a keypad on it. I'm pretty sure this is latching. And something cool, it's got a different thing, and it can go on either side. So that's pretty cool. I think I'm going to put this right here. We're going to hang that right there, probably with hot glue. And then we're going to put the magnet thing next to it. And then I'm going to put these on my windows. I have 2 windows in my room. This is for this. Anyway, I'm going to go get some AAA batteries. And by the way, this is a 120 decibel alarm. So I'm going to get a decibel reader really quick and see how loud it really is. Alright, so I've got my decibel meter here. And, okay, I see a Google ad on an Apple device. That's, wow. Anyway, let's flick this away. Whew. 102 decibels is what I measured. But might be covering the microphone. Stupid case. Look at how screwed up this iPod is. It's shiny, but there's a huge dent in the back of it. Anyway. That is really loud. I wonder how loud the door chime is. The door chime is pretty loud. I'm going to turn it off, and then I'm going to Alright, here we go. It didn't work. What the frick? Let's just put the iPod right on top of it and see. Oh, it's upside down. Durr. Same level, but it's pretty stinking loud. Listen to that. Really loud. Alright, now it's time to get the batteries installed in this thing, because I want to see how it works. So, I'm gonna go grab some AAA batteries, but first, do I have a screwdriver in here? I think I do. I guess not. Oh, here it is. It's a flathead, but it should work just fine. If it's small enough. No, it's not. Alright, I'm gonna go get a different screwdriver. Alright, I am back. Freaking camera won't stay up anymore. And I got 3 Ever-Ready gold batteries. And is that the Philips? Yeah. Alright. There we go. So let's open the alarm. Are you serious right now? I have to go get a smaller screwdriver again, or a bigger one actually. Alright, I am back with a hopefully working screwdriver. There we go. I don't want to strip that little screw, because that wouldn't be good. Alright. Let's just take this screw out. There we go. Ooh. The frig. Oh, it came with the mounting things. That's kind of cool. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to screw this into the wall. I think I'm probably going to do that actually now that it came with it. So, 1 battery, 2 batteries, and 3. We have a flashing light. Alright, it stopped. So I'm going to screw the little screw back in. Hope it doesn't go off while I'm doing it, it's going to scare me. I'm going to set the camera down while I do this. Alright, and we're back. Got it in. We're going to put this on chime. So let's see, what is the learn button? Says to learn, push the learn button. What is the learn button? Oh. Not sure what that did. It's a little nicer chime. I don't know what that just did. That button just like went in. It was just an LED. Hope it came with instructions. This is like the one time I need a user's manual. Oh, here we go. That's not even a button, that's an LED. Alright, what is the learn button? Oh, the learn button's inside. Of course it is. Alright, well I'm gonna have to set the camera down again to open it again. Alright. There's the learn button. We're just gonna make the code 1234 for this video. Probably gonna change it though. 1. We got a flashing green light. Green means good, right? Alright, let's set it to alarm. And then we're gonna try this. Oh, I have to arm it first. Derp. Jeez. Oh, that is a freaking loud alarm. Well, that's kind of cool. You have to arm it before it'll go off. I wonder if that works with chime. Nah, chime just goes off no matter what. But that alarm. I think what you have to do, let's just enter the code again. Yeah, put it on alarm first. And then it's armed, and then disarms it. It's so freaking loud. It is so much louder than this little tiny one. But that is really freaking loud. Holy crap. Alright. Let's see what away mode does. Code 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that means that it's... I think I have a 45 seconds until... Or disarmed it. But that's pretty cool, I have to say. You can arm and disarm it just from this little tiny, you know, thing. But that alarm, dude, it's so loud. Here, I'm gonna put the camera back on this tripod really quick. So the reason I want the camera on the tripod for this is so I have two hands free to, you know, cover the thing. Because it's freaking loud. Alright. Home. And alarm. The chime is pretty nice, though, on this one. Listen. Compared to... Alright, let's put it on alarm, and we're going to arm it. So loud. So loud. So it's armed. Disarmed. That is loud. The chime is a lot louder on this one, but you don't want a chime to be loud. The alarm on this thing is ridiculously loud. Like, here, I'm gonna... That is ridiculously loud. Alright, so... I'm going to put the back on, or it's already back on the thing, but, where's my screwdriver at? Where are you, screwdriver? Screwdriver, where are you? Yep, here it is. Found it. I found the screwdriver. Come on. There we go. Maybe. Nope. Crap. Fail. There we go. There we go. Alright. I think away mode might actually, here, let's put chime, and then, is it already, oh, it's already in away. Alright. Put the magnet by it. I think that's a magnet. We're gonna arm it, and then once it stops flashing red, it'll be armed. So I have time to, you know, get out of the house. Or my room, particularly. That's where I want to put this. It's a pretty cool little alarm system, though. I wish it was interconnectable. Like, so I could have this one go off if that was opened or something. But, you know. Okay, maybe if I... Okay, so it's armed now, so I think I have 45 seconds to get in. Nope. Oh, yeah, I do. What the heck? There we go. Got it. Killed it. Disarmed. So that's kind of cool. Away mode lets you, you know, get back in your house and put in your code. So I think it's time now to install these little things. This is really freaking loud. I'm gonna leave this on chime for now. Let's see if a magnet will set it off. Here's a magnet. Nope. Really? Oh. That's always a defect with these little ones, because you can just, you know... Here, let's get the magnet ready. You just hold a magnet up to it to shut it off, but... Yeah. I do like the chime on this one a little better, though. Actually, you know what? I don't know. They're both cool. Anyway, let's install this here. So, yeah, it's kind of cool design. I didn't expect it to be this nice, though. Oh, when it's on chime, the thing deactivates, but that's okay. Alright, I just found a nice little surprise when I was looking through that thing. It came with 3M double stick tape. That is extremely helpful. So, whoever decided to put this in there, thank you, very good idea. But before I put it up, we're going to show you the alarm one more time. Just gotta arm it first. Armed, and I'm gonna plug my ears, this is really loud. I'm surprised how loud that is. Disarmed. That's kind of cool, though. So anyway, we're going to go stick this up on my door, but I think first we're going... Actually, you know what? Nah, we'll do this one first. So let's go do that. Alright, I got my camera sitting on a tripod angled up at the door. It's... Oops. It's actually a different tripod than it was sitting on before, but yeah. Okay. Just wanted to make sure the alarm was disarmed. Alright. So this came with two things. You can break this one off for the magnet, which is a good idea. So I think I'm going to put the magnet actually on the side here, because that's what it recommends. But I don't know. I don't know actually. Here, let's see. If I had this here, I think I'm actually going to put the alarm on the door frame, because I think that looks a little nicer. So I'm going to first take the 3M double stick tape. It's the same tape that's used on my Sylvania LED strips, which is kind of cool. I'm going to peel it off. There we go. There's one side, and the other side now. There we go. Alright, got it. So we're going to stick that on the back there. There we go, just like that. And then we're going to take it and stick it on the door right here. So there's that. Solid's not going to go anywhere, at least for a really long time. So now I'm going to do the same thing with the alarm itself, the actual alarm unit. Alright, there we go. I'm going to stick this on where the screws would go. Right there. and then I'm going to line up the arrows, right, like that. And then we're going to test it. Wait, can I still open my door? No, I can't. Crap. Hold on a minute. Ah, shoot. It's one of the disadvantages to 3M double stick tape. It's really freaking strong. Whoops. Forgot down takes the little thing off. Alright, let's try this again. Let's stick the alarm here. It'll still stick. And then we're going to move the magnet. Actually, it might work there. Gotta be kidding. It should work right there, so. There we go. Now I can actually open the door. Let's put it on chime. And this is too far away. Holy crap, this is a really strong thing. Okay, that's cool. So the little, that's how you would do it. The little housing comes off the magnet. So you can screw the little screws in right there. It's a good idea. See, GE still makes quality products. It's an old company, still makes good products with good ideas. At least I think it's an old company. Let's just assume for now. I gotta get this back into the housing first and make it look nicer. And then where are the arrows? There's the arrows. Alright, should work now. So you can see it. And it still doesn't work. You can see here that this is a latching alarm. Alright, so it does work. There we go. That's cool. Alright, so that part's done. Functioning properly. That's my Lego fire alarm right over there. I made that a long time ago. So yeah, let's move over here, my messy room, over to this window here where we're going to put one of the littler ones. Still have the stuff in here from Christmas that powered the lights in my window. You guys remember that video, right? I hope you do. Alright, so let's move the camera up a little bit, and I'm going to zoom in. Alright, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to grab one of the little guys and some more 3M. Oh, is that all I have, really? Yeah, oh well. Anyway, I'm going to stick the little detector thing right here. Actually, you know what? I should probably my camera in a place where you can actually see what I'm trying to do here. There you go. Alright, so going to take the first piece for the little sensor. Wait, is this the right one? That's the one that I haven't taken the thing off the batteries yet. Okay, that's the right one. That one works. Make sure the chime works. Anyway, going to take the 3M off of this. There we go. Oh yeah, this is a magnet. It's stuck to my trash can. Alright, so I got it on this, and we're going to stick this right here. Wait, is that the... Okay, that's where the arrow is. You just gotta make sure that the magnet will get to the alarm itself. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the alarm. So I have a better idea, actually. I'm gonna take this and then put the 3M double stick tape on the alarm first so I can push it on. And then I'm going to take the paper off the tape when it's on the alarm. So I'm going to do that. This video is turning out to be a lot longer than I expected, but you know what? Happens all the time when you're watching my videos. Alright, let's make sure this is going to work here. It should. Okay, too far. Too far from... It's too far from the, a little magnet. So I'm going to put it here, how about? Yeah, there we go. So, it's on there. Now whenever... Let's arm it. Whenever someone opens the window and I don't want them to, maybe if I can even open the window myself. Oh, it's locked. There we go. Or was it? There we go. That's working. It works. Make sure it's off before I open this thing back up. Alright. Looks good. And it doesn't look bad either. Like, the alarm itself doesn't look bad sitting there. So I think the last thing, I'm going to go out into the garage and put another one on the garage door. So let's go out there really quick. Alright, here we are in the garage. I've got my little alarm with me. So, let's take the tape and put it on the back of the little magnet. There we go. And then take the paper off the tape. Once I can. Come on. There we go. Anyway, I'm thinking I'm gonna put it right... Oh, wait. Okay. I'm gonna put this on the garage door, and then the alarm should fit in there. Let's see. Will it fit in there? Yeah, it'll fit in there. Can you even see that? I'm gonna put the alarm right there. Just so you guys know, I did not end up putting it there, for two reasons. One, the garage door, when it opened, the wheel would, you know, go over that and probably break it. And two, I decided to put it inside the house instead of in the garage, so you'll see that. But if you're putting this in your garage door, don't put it there because the wheel will roll over it. You know, the wheel for the garage door, when it goes up that track, it will roll over it and probably break it. So we're first going to put the magnet on the door. There we go. And then take the 3M double stick tape and put it on the back of this one, and then take the paper off of the 3M double stick tape. Like that. There we go. Alright. So now we're going to... You won't be able to get to the switch from that, will you? And there's the third reason I didn't put it there. Oh well. That is actually not okay. Okay, I think I'm going to actually, this big pile of trash. I'm going to put the alarm right here, and then I'm going to move the little magnet. So you guys probably won't be able to see this, but you won't be able to see the magnet at least. I'm going to put the alarm right there, maybe. Actually, yeah, right there. Actually, you know what? No, I need to put the magnet there first. So I'm going to take the magnet off the door and then move it to another section on the door. Come on. There we go. So now I'm going to take the magnet and stick it on the back here, and as you can see, it is a magnet. It's getting attracted to the whatever that is, whatever metal that is. There we go. Alright. This is angled a little low. Alright. Now I'm going to take the alarm and put it right there next to the little magnet. And there you go. So it should work now whenever the door is opened. Let's arm it. Then I'm going to take the camera off the tripod, and then I'm going to open the garage door and see how it works. This is a broken tripod, I still need to fix it. This is supposed to be connected to the post in the center. Anyway. I feel stupid now. Fail of a fail. Didn't take the thing out from the batteries, did I? No, I did not. It's great. Alright, take that out. Oh. Scared the crap out of me. Oh, there's a battery test button. That's kind of cool. It shows you the status of the battery. Anyway. Let's try that again for real this time. I'm gonna pick up this trash while I'm here. Should be recyclable. It's just paper. I'm gonna throw it in the recycle bin. Alright, legit test now. Here we go. Whew. Alright, it works. I could probably prank my dad. Only person that's home right now is my mom and my sister, but I could probably totally prank my dad with that when he gets home from work, like just leave it on. Then when he comes in to open the door, it'll just go off. I think I might do that. Yeah, let's troll my dad. Shoot, why is that still going off? Okay, not sure why that was still going off, but I'm gonna take my tripod inside, and I think I'm actually going to put one on the front door because I have one more left. So let's go do that. Alright, so my mom wants me to move it inside. Trolling my dad should still work though. I'm gonna leave it on chime actually. When he walks in, he'll be like, what the heck? It'll be so funny. Oh, come on. Can't get the thing off the stinking door. Alright. I see how it is. You just don't want to come off the stinking door. You're gonna get moved inside where it's safe. There we go. Shoot. I have to clean that up a little bit. So there it is. It's on chime right now. So yeah, I think the last one I'm gonna put on the front door out here. It's probably a good idea to put one on this door. So we're going to do that right now. Alright. So we're going to be installing the last... Sorry about that. I had to go turn off the chime on the other one. Anyway, we're going to be installing the last one of these little things up there. So I think what I'm going to do is first find the arrow. There's the arrow. So I'm going to put it here, and then the little thing will go right here. And it should work. So let's get to that. First of all, we're going to have to put the thing on. I have one set of 3M double stick tape left over from all the other stuff. So, currently, there we go. I'm going to stick this right in the corner, make sure that's where the arrow is. Alright. There we go. now I'm going to put the tape on the alarm. Alright, got it. And now we're going to put that right up there. I'm going to test it. Again, I forgot to take the thing off the batteries. It's called failing. Alright, anyway. Now for the real test. Alright, that works. So, I'm going to turn it off. Actually, I'm going to turn it on alarm. Anyway, that is it for the video. Thank you for watching. And tell me if you have any of those little things. They're pretty cool. So, just one last thing. I'm going to show you what I did with all of them. All 4 alarms are being used. Get off the tripod syncing camera. There we go. So there's that one. That's the keypad one. Gotta close the door all the way for it to work, actually. Got one of these little ones in my window. One on that front door, and one on the garage door, which is not straight. There we go. This one's off right now. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you for watching.